Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to rename sheet in Excel shortcut. So let's start. This is my Excel file, and in this Excel file have two sheets, and here I'm going to use the shortcut key to change the sheet name. Okay, simply select the Alt-H-O-R and you can see the sheet name is selected. Now you can easily rename it. Okay, so I just rename it. Now just press the enter. Okay, that's it, your sheet name is changed. If you want to jump in sheet number 2, you can use here the shortcut key also, control page down. Okay, you can see the in sheet number 2 is open. Okay, again you can use here the Alt-H-O-R to change the sheet name. Again I add here the sheet name and press the enter. That's it. Okay, so this is a way you can use the shortcut key to change the sheet name, to rename sheet in Excel. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.